Good morning, everyone. Thank you very much for joining us today for another ITWeb webinar, this time brought to us by ServiceNow, the leaders in service management, and a big part of the platform revolution is bringing service into IT service management and operations management. My name is James Francis. I will be your facilitator for today, and really looking forward to today's topic, where we're going to be looking at optimizing resilience, designing for the future state of risk and security operations.
There has always been a bacteria that's going to kill us. There has always been the next new terrifying weapon. There's always been the new innovation. It's about living in the moment. Enjoy the things that you can in fact enjoy. We now live in a time where a lot of organizations are taking this into account. The organization will become resilient because people identify with the organization. It's part of where they live and work. A lot has changed in the past 3 years. People are now used to working remotely. This meeting, as we're here speaking, is not happening in person, it's happening online. So many of my customer meetings, it is now normal to include a Zoom, a Teams, or whatever virtual platform you use to meet, and some people will be online and some people will be remote. So the transformation has happened. You need to now take advantage of those transformations that you've undergone within your organizations. If you haven't seen it already, you should be expecting to see a request, a demand, a mandate, a directive given that you need to build for organizational resilience. Things as simple as, okay, what is the impact? What is the magnitude? What is the likelihood? A shared vocabulary, a shared culture of concern for these things that is taken seriously at all different levels. Consider your processes that exist today. Consider all your users. Consider that what you're trying to achieve is a change of culture. Everybody is involved. And then consider, what does my technology stack offer? If I wanted to do policy acknowledgement on a mobile phone when people are on the train, or I want to do exception management dynamically based on AI, is this severe or is this not severe? And if it's not sufficiently severe, then I'm not even going to bother asking a human. Seek not to simply lift and shift your processes. Seek not to simply consolidate on a new technology vendor, one more technology vendor, or multiple less technology vendors. But seek to implement thoughtful processes that take full advantage of what these new tools offer, and see and have a conversation around how you can use them better. Allow them to live in the moment, consumerize the way people work, and make it fun.
We will see you at the next one. With that, please have a great afternoon.